Menu builder element is meant to be flexible, and it is meant to be composite, which means I can redefine its styles. I can redefine styles of the menu. I can make it custom looking, without losing functionality of the menu builder. So menu builder element, this one itself, it provides functionality but not styles, and I will show you how it works. So first of all, here I have two elements, two menu builders. The first one and here the second one, and they are completely independent ones. And for the first element, for the first menu builder, I'm going to remove styles, and for that I should remove classes from its elements, its children elements. First of all, for the sake of this tutorial, to make it shorter and make it faster to show you how it works, I'm just going to remove the recursive menu items, submenu here, and that button which is caret icon here, and also template, I don't need it. So anchor here, menu builder, now UL, yeah, okay. So now you see there is no caret icon like this one, so no submenu. There is for the first menu I have only menu items of the first level. Now I'm going to remove style, so I click on the nav element, go to styles, and remove this class builder-now. Okay. Now the second UL, I'm going to remove the first class builder nav menu and leave class that ends with JS. Nextly, I'm going to remove the first class builder nav item, and I leave as is this class that ends with JS. And the final element is anchor. Here I also remove the class without JS at the end, so this one, okay, and JS I leave as is. Now I go to UL, and the list should re-render itself here. The elements are re-rendered, they don't have classes which provide styling, and it looks differently from this menu. Yet this menu is fully functional. It still switches to the mobile version. Here if I click tablet, you see there is still this menu toggle items, toggles, right? When I click, it opens mobile version. Of course it looks differently. For the second menu it looks nicer, our default styling, let's say. Now I'm go back to all so without breakpoints, right? Base. I'm going to, okay, I duplicate it. Now I have two menus, two menu toggles. The first one will be closing, so I put C at the end of its name, and I change action to close. It means this clicking on this element, this menu toggle, it will be only closing a mobile version of the menu. The second menu toggle will be only opening, so I rename it to menu toggle O for quicker navigation between this C and this O, right? And I change its action to open here. So now clicking on this menu toggle will be only opening the menu. Now let's switch to tablet back again. And here I have these two elements, and the one is in the closed state, so this one opens, but clicking on it, it does not close, but this one closes the mobile version, and I click again and again, it does not open. Okay, so now I move my closing menu toggle in my header, this one header, next to anchor element, which is this logo. Okay, so I move this one here, and I also move my entire menu builder here. So now they are siblings. Okay, I don't need this container anymore. Okay, now let's switch back to base breakpoint. I have my menu here, so I open it, and here I have navigation. Okay, I click on the menu builder. I'm going to add some style, so I go to the tab styles, click layout. The flex is already enabled, it's inherited style. I'm just going to use justify content and okay. Now I open UL, I go to advanced, and I'm going to write list style none. Okay, so I remove these disk icons. Now I have I make it flex. I make wrap, so just in case the elements will be wrapping, and I'm going to add gap, which would be the size of 10. Okay, now it looks basic but quite decent already. These are my menu items. Now it's time to look at mobile version of this menu. And when I was telling you that the styles are gone but functionality is still here, I was referencing to automatically added classes that like turn menu into mobile menu, etc. So let me show you how it works. For that, I'm going to open browser DevTools. We have here inspector for inspecting HTML structure of the page. So here I open my this is my Builderius menu builder element, and I'm going to switch to mobile version, this one. Okay, you see there is mobile added class, and when this class is added, it means that menu builder switch to mobile version. Let me show you. Pay attention to this class, right? Let me do this. Okay, so when I switch to base breakpoint, is mobile is gone. When I switch here, is mobile has been added. And then when I click open this menu, the new class will be added to menu builder here. So I open it, there is a new class is expanded. This is what I meant when I was talking about the functionality works as is, and if there is a menu, submenu items, specific classes and attributes will be added to Li elements to tell assistive technologies that that menu item is opened or closed, etc., etc. So this functionality still exists. I'm going to switch to menu builder. Let me close this one. So now I want to style my menu to be fancy looking off canvas menu. When I switch to tablet mode, the class is mobile has been added to this element, and I'm going to style this class, but since I switched to tablet mode, all styles here, they will be inserted inside a media breakpoint tablet, and I don't want to do this. I want those styles live in the base breakpoint without media query. So for that I have two options. First of all, I have to switch back to the all breakpoint here, and second, I either open my DevTools and change the size of the window. So by doing this, you see I trigger mobile version. I change the size of my whole editor. Okay, this is the same as I would change it here, but only canvas. In this case, I change the size of the whole page. Or I can also do it by switching to CSS mode, because here I can write what I need without adding media breakpoints. So it doesn't matter how I switch size of the canvas here. Here I still can use or not use media queries. So first of all, I move items here. Okay, and remove this one. This is for my regular menu. Let me close. Okay, so these styles, let me format them better like this. So they are for desktop version. Then for previewing, I switch here to tablet, but here I do not write media query. I don't need it. I write knowing that in mobile version menu builder has class isMobile, I just write this selector. So I have local and then isMobile, and now I will be writing CSS properties and targeting specifically mobile version of the menu builder. Position fixed. And then I'm going to set with this one and full height. Okay, I need justify content, start, align items, also start. Okay, position it in mode fixed. I have to set better its starting coordinate. So first I put top 0 like this, and the second I want to have this menu on the right of the page. So I set right also 0. If I write 100%, I have isMobile, and when the menu is expanded, I want it to be right 0 like this, and here I add isExpanded. This is the second class, and it is being added when the mobile menu is shown. When I trigger displaying it, opening should be here. This is my mistake, and menu toggle closing should be inside the menu builder. Yeah, like this. So for menu toggle opening, being in the tablet breakpoint, I click block here. So now it's been shown. Now I switch back to menu builder and again CSS mode. I have my menu toggle. When I click it, my menu builder is shown here. Okay, let's adjust. Oh, here I have a scroll bar. To fix this, I do it this way again. Switch to all, so I will be setting styles to base breakpoint. Go to selector, click body, and I can do this without CSS mode. So what I need is to set overflow hidden. It should be inside in right here. So now that problem should be fixed. Okay, elements, main content, no, I need menu builder here. Again, I switch to CSS mode, code mode, switch to tablet. Okay, I don't like how my styles for menu builder looks like. So for mobile version, I'm going to do also this. I'm going to add some padding. I want to use size 7. Okay, flex direction, which will be column. I also need z index something bigger, so my menu will be on top of other elements. Let's put 10. And then of course I need a background color, because now it's transparent and this is why I see these icons. So background color, again primary 100, yeah, like this. So now I have my menu open. When I click X, this menu toggle, it should close. Okay, and here open it, closed, open it. Okay, fine, very good. Add a bit of animation. So I'm going to put here transition, and it will be right. And timing is 0.5 seconds. This is for opening. The same goes for closing. Okay, so now let's check how it works. Oh, interesting effect. Okay, let's go back to menu builder. I think this is not correct value, because right 100% goes here in the left direction. It puts the menu here on the left, so I think it should be minus 100. Let me check. So when I change to minus, let's see how it works. Okay, nice.